Berkshire Hathaway's cash hit a record $381.7 billion last quarter as Warren Buffett stayed on the sidelines in terms of M&A. Operating profit jumped 34%, led by booming insurance results and unusually low disaster activity. Investors are paying closer attention as the company nears a new era, with Buffett handing off the role of CEO to Greg Abel at year-end. Danny?
Let's discuss those results further. Joining us now is Alex Rajmandari. He covers Buffett and Berkshire for Bloomberg News. Alex, it's the size of a cash pile equivalent to P&G, equivalent to Home Depot. Today underscores that deals are happening. There clearly is stuff out there to buy. Why is Berkshire Hathaway still on the sidelines?
That's the big mystery. There's nothing in Buffett's eyes, it seems. He hasn't been buying any equities on the market. I mean, he has, but is a net seller of equities of $6 billion. There's been a string of quarters like that. And he hasn't been buying by his own shares, even if, the shares have been down 12% since he announced his retirement at the end of the year. He's stepping down as CEO. He will still be chairman. So that raises the question, is that a good thing? Really, the net investment income of the company has decreased quarter over quarter because of short-term interest rates falling over the period. So it's not really yielding more money for the company in terms of investment income. And it kind of raised the question. I was talking to an analyst yesterday. She was saying, look, if they have so much money that's yielding less and they don't buy their own shares, why should you?
Yeah, it seems to make the case quite well that their shares aren't at all undervalued, right? Otherwise, they would be buying them back themselves. And that the rest of the market is pretty fairly or even highly valued, because otherwise they'd be playing in this M&A extravaganza that we're seeing. What is it, $4 trillion?
Yeah, 3.8 at the moment this year.
In deals this
just
year.
Almost there.
Yeah.
So to be sure, Buffett has not done nothing in the past quarters. He's done, he bought this stake in United Health for $1.6 billion. He's buying Oxychem for $9.7 billion. That's in the fourth quarter, though. So we need to see, in a few weeks, we're going to know exactly what happened on his investment in equities. But it's true that when he doesn't buy shares, it means that he thinks that the intrinsic value of the company is below what it's trading at. And he's been saying that he doesn't see a lot of opportunities on the market, and the markets have been growing even more since he made that comment.